Onshape now has model-based definition, or MBD. Let me go to my inspection table for this part studio. Then I will use the three dots to isolate my active part. And so here is a part that I created a while ago. I made another video where I discussed how you want to apply different techniques for sketching with model-based definition. But I don't want to go back and redefine all my different sketches. For that reason, you have the ability to create dimensions from the inspection tab. And so for this engine block, let me create a few different dimensions. Let me click on the dimension icon, and I'll start out by creating a diameter dimension, and then I'll let it drag out over to the left. And right now it's being placed a little bit in the middle of the part. And so when I use the dimension tool, I usually flip back and forth between set coincident and dimension. I'll pick this face and then this dimension, and it adjusts the location. That is great. Let me go to dimension. I'll create another diameter dimension. Let me go to the back of the model. And once again, I will pick the cylinder and let the dimension drag out, then jump over to set coincident and pick the face where I want the dimension to appear. You can also create distance dimensions. Let me jump back into the dimension tool. Let's say I want the overall length of this part. I will select one face and then select another face and then get the distance dimension. Now let's do that for a couple other different distances, like this face and this face, and then let the dimension appear. And let's just do one more. Let's do a dimension between this. Oh, is that curved? Let's not do that dimension. Let me jump out of dimensioning. And now that I've got these different dimensions, I can double click on them. And here we have our dialog box. Since this was created in the inspection tab, it automatically has the tolerance options turned on. I can go to the drop-down list that says default. Maybe I want this to be a basic dimension. Then I can hit the check mark. And let's see, let's go to another one of the dimensions that I created. I will double click on this. And let's change this one to be symmetrical. And let's use a value of 0.1. And let's see, what else do we want to do? Let's go to one of those diameter dimensions, double click on it, and let's go to the drop-down list, and I will set this one to deviation. And for the deviation, let's go with plus 0.5 and minus 0. So that is good. And if we take a look in our inspection tab, we have those different dimensional tolerances listed. Some of them are missing some values. I don't think I have my default tolerances defined yet for this one. So let's select the default tolerance table. Now we have this one listed in here as well. And so took care of some of the different blank values in there. So there you have it. That is how you can create your different dimensions in the inspection table for model-based definition in Onshape.